My name is Jenna Ditto, and I'm a fifth-year PhD student at Yale in environmental engineering. I'm an air quality scientist, and so my research involves studying the chemical composition of particulate matter in the atmosphere. And this is really important because particulate matter has well-known impacts on human health as well as the environment. So what I do is I try to figure out what is in that particulate matter so that we can better understand the health and environmental impacts of particulate matter in the air. My research is important because learning about the chemical composition of particulate matter helps us better understand and predict how that particulate matter might affect human health as well as the environment. Probably what I like best about being a scientist is getting to ask my own research questions, to get to formulate my own questions that really no one knows the answer to yet, and then to design my own experiments and tests to figure out the answer to these questions. I also really like problem solving, so kind of the combination of all these things is why I really like being a researcher. When I was in middle and high school, I really enjoyed math and science classes, but I had some great teachers along the way who really inspired me to pursue my interest in science, in particular chemistry and a math teacher in high school. They helped me realize that I thought science was cool and it was something that I could do as well. Through their excitement about science, they really got me excited about science. In high school, I also participated in a robotics club, which was a really neat experience and kind of my first attempt at engineering and learning what engineering was all about. In addition to that, when I got to undergrad, I had the opportunity to work in a research lab, and this really helped me get my feet wet with research. And working with graduate student and postdoc mentors at the time, once again, really showed me that science was something that I could do too, and they really encouraged me to pursue my interests and try my own experiments and sort of explore my interest in the field. The website that I chose is called engineeringday.com, and this is actually a website that the Graduate Society of Women Engineers at Yale put together with details about all of the different activities we've run during outreach events for Pathways to Science middle and high school students. And so what we do is after we run an activity, we will type up a guide along with a list of materials in case students want to recreate the activity at home, or in case students who didn't have the opportunity to attend the event want to try the activity out themselves. And so on our website, we have a whole variety of engineering activities and design challenges for middle and high school students. If you're interested in science, definitely don't be afraid to try it out, whether that is through trying science experiments at home or joining a science club, or reading up about a certain topic that you're interested online. Really, science is for everyone, and if you're interested, really don't be afraid to jump in and get your feet wet and learn all that you can learn.